In which places have you been here in Rwanda?
Okay, well, we went to Gisani,
That is in the Western Province.
Yeah, in the Western Province. And also, what was that? Muhanzi.
Muhazi,
Yeah.
in the
Eastern Province. And what have we been?
Bugesera. Okay.
And in the National King Museum.
Oh, that is so fantastic. Fifi, what is the Rwandan food you like most?
Eggs.
Eggs.
And also, how to call that?
Ugali.
Ugali.
Yes.
That is cassava something. And you, Han?
For me, to be honest, I kind of like the samosa.
Samosa.
Yeah.
Wow.
Me too.
Don't you like amata? Milk.
Yes, amata milk.
You like milk, eh?
And amazi.
Amazi, that is water. What else? Potatoes? Do you like potatoes?
Yeah, potatoes, they're good also.
Do you like cabbage?
Cabbage. Okay.
If I also ask you, do you know some of the Rwandan officials? Like leaders. Do you know any of them?
Paul Kagame.
Who is he?
Huh?
Who is he?
He's the president of Rwanda.
What do you like most about him?
Well, I like most about him that is because he is very humble and he knows how to be a leader.
Really?
Rwanda is clean and very safe because of him.
Really?
Yeah.
That is so amazing. We would like to have you performing another Rwandan songs, but before going to that, let me take this opportunity to thank you very much for your time. Thank you, Ma'am Lisi, for accompanying these two kids.
Okay,
And okay, murakoze cyane. And we also thank you for taking your time to let them learn some of the Kinyarwanda words. Fifi?
Yes.
Thank you for joining us in the studio. It was a great pleasure.
You're welcome.
Thank you to Hansaki for joining me in the studio. Next time I want to see you reading the news. Will you be able?
I can be able, but only if I can speak in English.
Okay, to wrap up, let me give you another opportunity to perform another Rwandan songs, any of your choice, if I would say.
Okay, so this one is a short one and a very easy one. Mawe Kalambe. Okay.
Okay, here we go.
That. Okay. Mawe Kalambe. Mawe Kalambe, mama we gongo waduhe siraga hola ho. Mawe Kalambe.
Thank you very much.